Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today, I'm going to explain what Schema Markup is, how to add it to your BigCommerce website, and how to automate the entire process faster. If you want your BigCommerce store to stand out on Google, earn rich snippets like star ratings and product pricing, and improve your visibility in AI search tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and Google AI overviews, this video is for you. Most BigCommerce store owners spend a lot of time optimizing product pages, improving design. Your store may have great products and content, but Google doesn't automatically understand all the details about your products, pricing, reviews, availability, FAQs, and business information. That's where Schema Markup comes in. Schema Markup uses JSON-LD structured data to provide clear information about your website. It helps search engines understand things like products, prices, reviews, FAQs, business information, articles, breadcrumbs, and much more. This makes it easier for Google to display rich results directly in search results. Without Schema Markup, your BigCommerce store usually appears as just another blue link in Google search results. But with Schema Markup, your listings can display star ratings, product pricing, availability status, FAQs, reviews, breadcrumb navigation, and other rich snippets directly on Google. These enhanced search results often attract more attention and generate more clicks. According to Google Search Central case studies, websites using structured data have seen major improvements in click-through rates and engagement. First, Rotten Tomatoes, they added structured data to over 100,000 pages and saw a 25% higher click-through rate on pages with rich results. Next, the Food Network. They enabled rich search features on 80% of their pages and saw a 35% increase in visits. Then comes Rakuten. They found that users spent 1.5 times more time on pages with structured data, along with a 3.6 times higher interaction rate. A Nestle. Pages appearing as rich results achieved an 82% higher click-through rate compared to standard listings. Schema Markup is becoming even more important with the rise of AI search. Today, Google AI overviews, ChatGPT, Gemini, and other AI systems use structured data to better understand website content. And here's the opportunity. Many BigCommerce stores still aren't using Schema Markup correctly. That means you have a chance to stand out from competitors and improve your visibility in both traditional search and AI-powered search experiences. Now let's walk through how to add Schema Markup to your BigCommerce website step by step. First, log into your BigCommerce dashboard. From the dashboard, go to Storefront. Then click Script Manager. This is where you'll be able to add custom Schema Markup code to your store. First, generate your schema using a free tool like Technical SEO. Choose the type you need, like product or local business. Fill in your details and copy the code. Once your schema code is ready, copy the JSON-LD code, paste your schema code. Make sure the script is placed in the head section, it loads on the correct pages, and the code is formatted properly, then save the script. That's it. Your Schema Markup is now added to your BigCommerce website. Now, the manual method works, but it's not scalable. If your BigCommerce website has multiple pages, you'll need to repeat the same process for every page. That takes time, and it's easy to make mistakes or miss updates whenever you add or change content. So here's a better option. If you want to save time and avoid all the manual work, use JSON Schema app. This tool automatically adds Schema Markup to your store. Just follow these simple steps. First, click Install BigCommerce app. You'll be redirected to the BigCommerce App Store where you can install our app with a single click. Once the app is installed, complete the setup wizard, then fill in the required details. This will scan your entire store, detect the appropriate schema types. The app will automatically add and manage the required schema types across your store for better visibility online. You can also configure special pages such as About Us, Contact Us, Privacy Policy, and other custom pages during the setup process. After completing the wizard, you'll be taken to the dashboard where you can view your updated schema health score, monitor your schema coverage, and manage all your structured data from one place. Once the schema is added, copy your product page URL. Open the Rich Results Test tool and paste the URL. Run the test and check whether the product and review schema are detected correctly. If everything is valid, your website is ready for review rich results. Also, you can validate it with the Schema Markup Validator tool. Simply copy the product page URL and paste it here and make sure everything is working correctly. Before you go, here are a few quick tips. Use product schema on product pages. Use FAQ schema where you answer customer questions. Use organization schema on your homepage. Use local business schema if you serve customers in specific locations. And always make sure your schema matches the content that appears on the page. One more thing, I'll include useful resources in the description, including schema generators, Google Rich Results, Test Schema, Validator, and other helpful tools. So make sure to check those out. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.